Hello friends, today we are going to see how to calculate EMI in Excel. So let's begin without any delay. So for that we would need some details. For example, amount of loan, interest, number of installments. Assume amount of loan to be 27 lakhs rupees. Assume interest rate to be 9%. Number of installments, since considering a period of loan to be 15 years, we will calculate number of installments as 15 into 12. So 180 installments would be there. So in order to calculate the EMI, there is a function called PMT in Excel. So let's begin. PMT. Now it is asking for the rate of interest. So we have 9%. We need to divide it by 12 since we need to calculate on a monthly basis. Divide by 12. NPER, it is nothing but number of installments, which we have already calculated as 180. Then PV is nothing but amount of loan which we have taken. So since it would be an outflow, so we need to show it as on a as a negative figure. So minus 27 lakhs. Just hit the enter button, we'll get the amount of EMI 27,385. So this is how we need to calculate the EMI figure in Excel.